Hey, we're gonna check out these Wago 221 connectors. So the way these work, there's little tabs on each side. You got a gauge for how far you need to strip your wire down, stick your wire in, and this clamps down and holds that wire secure. So what I'm doing today, I have stranded speaker wire and I'm gonna hook it up to some solid wire just to make it easier to put in my back jacks on the back of my receiver here. So you just use the gauge on the back. We'll just confirm that's about the length I need. You stick your wire in. You can see on the back there, you want it all the way to the back, clamp it down, and it locks it in place. You wouldn't think they would be that secure, but they actually hold up very well. I'm putting quite a bit of force on this, and this is keeping this wire right in place. So you can use this on both solid and stranded wire. Cut this down to get a fresh connection. We got them spliced together. And now it's really easy just to plug these into the back of my receiver. Now this is just speaker wire, so very low voltage. If you're working with electricity, if you don't know what you're doing, don't do it. If you do know what you're doing, make sure the power is off. Make sure you be safe. Like I said, this is just speaker wire. We're not running 120 or 240 through this. Just be careful. But overall, I'm pretty impressed with these, how easy it was to splice these wires. I didn't have to worry about a wire nut. It's just such an easy way to connect them. And you can even reuse these, pull them in and out, and it's pretty solid connection.